We'll guide you through how to create a resume template in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, you need to click on the Template Gallery button at the top right of the screen. This will show you a variety of templates that Google Docs offers. Scroll down until you find the Resumes section. Here, you'll see several different styles of resume templates. Choose one that you feel suits your needs by clicking on it. Once the template opens, you can begin customizing it. Start by clicking on the text fields to replace the placeholder text with your own information. Make sure to fill in your name, contact details, and any other personal information. Next, move on to the sections for your work experience, education, and skills. Be sure to provide detailed descriptions of your roles and achievements. You can also add or remove sections based on what you want to highlight. To do this, right-click on any section header and choose Delete if you want to remove it, or Insert to add a new section. If you want to personalize the look of the resume, you can change the font, text size, and color by highlighting the text and using the toolbar at the top. You can also add a personal touch by including a professional photo or logo. Simply go to Insert in the menu, choose Image, and upload your file. Once you're happy with your resume, remember to save your work by clicking on File, then Download, and choose your preferred format like PDF or Word document. This makes it easy to share your resume with potential employers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.